This is Andy with QualityStocks.net. Today's Thursday, March 25th. We'll be taking a look at ALTO Group Holdings, NASDAQ Bulletin Board stock trading under the ticker ALTO. We're looking at ALTO for a couple different reasons. You can see in February it came down and hit a bottom at 0.62. In March it found another bottom, a new higher low at 0.7. And since then it's been holding right around 0.8 as a new bottom. Yesterday, on slightly increased volume. In the previous days, it had a nice move up over 11%. You can see that the RSIs have turned up. I'm never a big fan of this big separation between the 7 and the 14, but it looks awful strong. It doesn't seem to be positioned that badly. You can see in a longer term aspect, RSI has been on a nice trend upward. The MACD, we always talk about trending towards zero with positive divergence, zero being referred to as the money line. You can see it's almost at that right now, been trending up. We're coming across here what looks like a loose pinch, but it's actually very deep with the PPO being all the way down to -60. The positive DI has begun to curl upward. We want to see this continue. It looks like it's making a nice turn. The MFIs are positioned great. All three rolling together, not any big separation, all turned upward. Jake and money flow hasn't spent a lot of time in the green above zero. It looks like it's about ready to make its break above there again. A little bit of an uptrend recently. Another positive sign. Full still breaking through 50, bullish. It's looking strong. Trix has finally made its turn. Looks like it's going to start heading towards zero. Now what we're looking for here in these candles is if it happens to break down, we want to make sure it holds 0.62. For me, the breaking point would probably be the parabolic czar at 0.8, where the support level is. If it can't hold that, it breaks down, but a true bottom support is 0.62. It's up against a little bit of resistance right here. You can see this area. Resistance is often referred to as a point, but it's more generally should be referred to as an area. I refer to it as drawing it with a thick tip marker rather than a fine point pen. Right here, it's right in the area of resistance. It closed at a dime yesterday, which we also talk about solid numbers like at a penny, a dime, a dollar being common resistance areas. Right now, it's right against that resistance area. So what we want to see is volume continue to increase today and take out this dime. It'll see a little bit more resistance probably at 0.125 or at 125. Put a line through there for you where it was the previous highs before. Traded in a little channel there for a week or so. You'll probably see some more resistance there, but I would suspect with volume that resistance will fall pretty quickly, and this will make a run at this 50-day moving average, which will be some very significant gains all the way up at 17.5 cents. Still a 50% move or more. So let's look for some volume to come in. Let's look for this support level here to hold. Let's look for this first resistance level at a dime to fall. This is Andy taking a look at ALTO. I'll see you on QualityStocks.net.